Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exactly create infographics using Napkin AI and how to use Napkin AI. In this video, I'm totally explain you under 2 or 3 minutes. So if you are new or beginner, please keep watch full video. Don't skip any second. First, I'm going on ChatGPT. Then type on cricket. Just click on enter. Then ChatGPT give me a data. It's exclusively for me. Now just copy this data, then just go this Napkin AI tool, then just paste here, then click on this power icon. Then now the magic you can see. Wow, it's working right now. I'm really surprised for this result, so I'm waiting few seconds. Year host history. Now this AI tool create infographics. It's exclusively for me. Now this one, this style, okay, this is pretty good, but I want to show you another one. This one, this is not nice. I'm going to another one. Just click on this power icon, then select your style. Okay, this style are very nice and attractive. And then this one, wow, this is also nice. Now if you want to change any color, any font, anything you want to add, this is possible, and you are able to customization anything, any font, any color, anything and everything. Then if I click, select a size, then color, okay, yellow. Now just click on the download button, then select your format. So I select PNG, then drag or light. So first I want to download its light, then again I want to download its dark mode, then download. If you want to add a background, just click on download, then select off. Resolution 1235x or 3x. Now click on again download. So I want to play and open. Wow, it's really amazing infographics. This one, if you want to create this chart with another tool like Canva and any others photo and video editing software, you must be need at least 20 to 30 minutes for here, but you can create this infographics or this chart using this AI tool in less than 1 minute. Can you imagine this one? So I'm going on another case one. Just click on maybe new napkin, then click on blank, then I need only top 10. Just click on enter, then ChatGPT give me this full report. Just copy this one, then just go again on Napkin AI, just paste here, then click on this power icon. Then now this AI tool create a graphics is for me and it's exclusively for me. You can see this one, people distribution of the most popular country. Again one, anyone, then it's really nice and attractive. If you click on undo, okay, again click on this power, then this one, this is really nice and awesome. So now just if you want to change its color and anything you are customization and customizable, just select this one. Okay, that's good. Now if you want to download this icon, this picture, then select all, then click on download, then select resolution. It's 1x, 2x and up to 3x. Then I select 3x, then its dark mode are really nice. Then click on downloads, then I want to open. Wow, this are really nice and awesome. So this is a method how you can use this AI tool Napkin AI. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.